phone. Hello? Why are you doing that? Abby.
Go, Mama. Go, Dada.
Say wee! Kaže ovako, evo nas u Hobartu, u malom parku. U 10 sati ujutro, nema nigdje nikog. Previše je rano. I padala je kiša dan prije, stvari noć prije. Tako da su tobogani još mokri. There goes Abby. Abby će se popeti sama. Može li, Abby? Možeš li? Ha?
Oh my God.
Good job, Abby.
Wow, that's really good. Hold on tight. You're really high up now.
Oh my gosh, Rick.
She's doing okay. Keep going. You're doing good. Yay. Wow. Okay, stand up there. Here. Bravo. You can climb any ladder, can't you?
Yay!
Bravo. This one has water on it, Abby. We can't go down this one.
We're gonna go down
Let's
the
go that one.
squiggly one.
Let's go down that one right there. Where's Mommy? Say, hi, Mama.
Wanna go down? I don't think so.
Let's go down the slide. Oh, you didn't see that there's water at the top.
Really?
Yeah.
Two.
Here I go. Here I go. Yay.
There you go. Daddy wiped the slide.
Yeah, here you come. Go. Whee! Look at her hair. Was that fun? Nice hairdo.
Look at that hair. Ooh! You're trying to go up again?
You want one of those coffees? Too early.
Yeah. It was a lot of sugar in it though.
Look what my shoe did. Hold on. Hold on with your hands. There you go. You can do it.
Good job, Abby. Good job.
Yay!
Bravo, Ebice.
Bravo! Oh, look what I did.
Hi.
Tata, hi.
Okay, go ahead.
Tata, go down the wheel.
Go ahead.
Hi.
You want me to? You gonna go first? Okay.
Hi.
Okay, go. Whee!
Hi. You'll be shooting to me.
Say go, Tata.
Tata.
Wee, Tata.
Okay, here I go. Whee!
Here comes Daddy.
That was fun.
Abby, why don't you go up the steps?
Tata.
Mokar tobogan, Abby. Padala kiša. Oh, good job, Abby. Those are big steps. Whoa! Go, Abby! Yay! Fun! Abby, was that fun? Look at your hair going up. Woo!
Apple. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Abby, what can you hear? Yeah, ambulance. Whee! Be careful now. Šta radi tata? Tata čisti tobogan. Sve je mokro. A biciklistička staza ovdje prolazi, ona što ide pored naše kuće. Ima onda stadion za bejsbol. U Americi se ovako sirene čuju non stop. Za svaku sitnicu se šalje hitna i vatrogasci. Bravo, Ebi, ispela se skroz na vrh. Evo sada ide i vatrogasna. Da negdje ima požar. You dancing? Are you dancing? Abby, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Yay! All happy. There are no kids, but we're happy. Come down, jej! Šta radi Erik? Kupi smeće po parku. Sad će on nju učiti da kupi smeće po parku. Dragi moj muž. Voli da mu je sve fino čisto.